Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best stove knobs is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, but trust me, they're essential. Today, we're diving deep into the world of stove knobs, exploring everything from their basic functions to the nitty-gritty details of choosing the perfect set for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, understanding your stove knobs is key to unlocking your culinary potential. Number 5. Samsung DG64-00473A Gas Stove Knob Replacement. Introducing the DG64-00473A replacement knob, compatible with various Samsung gas ranges. It's a perfect solution for your worn-out or damaged knobs. This knob fits models like NX58H5600SS and NX58J7750SS. Please note that if your stove is black, you may need a different part. Check the model number to ensure a proper fit. Get 5 new DG64-00473A stove knobs that match the original. This replacement is designed to look and function just like the original burner knob dial on your Samsung range oven. This knob replaces part numbers like DG64-00473A and AP59174439. It's a cost-effective alternative to dealership replacements. The knobs feature strong rings for added durability. Installation is easy and requires no tools, so you can quickly get your range oven burner back to work. These Samsung-compatible knobs exceed OEM quality. They are made of high-end materials, ensuring they are compact, sturdy, and long-lasting. It meets OEM manufacturing requirements. What we like? This knob features a reinforced design, ensuring it can withstand heavy-duty use in your kitchen. It's also designed to meet OEM standards, guaranteeing a perfect fit and function. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The knobs fit perfectly and are easy to install. They look great and function perfectly. These knobs are a perfect replacement for the original knobs. Number 4. AMI Parts DG64-00473B Samsung Stove Knob. Introducing the AMI Parts DG64-00473B knob, designed specifically for your Samsung range. It's compatible with several models, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. This knob is the ideal replacement. This knob features a brushed surface for a sleek look. The stainless steel back ensures durability and balance. The D interface has been widened for a better fit and longer life. Each package includes one DG64-00473B gas stove knob. It measures 2.3 inches in diameter with a 0.17-inch D interface. Please check the part number and size before purchasing to ensure compatibility. This knob fixes common issues like the stove not starting or not selecting settings. Simply slide the old knob off and the new one on. Lubricating oil can assist with the initial installation if needed. We are confident in the quality of this Samsung range knob. A professional feedback team is available to assist you. You'll receive a satisfactory solution within 12 hours if you have any issues. What we like? This knob is designed with a brushed surface to enhance the look of your stove. It's also engineered for easy installation, so you can quickly get your range back in working order. If you have a stainless steel Samsung range and want a stylish and functional upgrade, consider this. What people say. The knobs fit perfectly and are easy to install. They are a perfect replacement and look great. The knobs are an exact fit and work great. Number 3. S-Union Samsung Stove Knobs DG64-00473A. Are your Samsung stove knobs cracked or damaged? These upgraded replacement knobs are made of durable, high-quality material. They are reinforced with a stainless steel protection ring for long-lasting use. These DG64-00473A knobs fit a wide range of Samsung gas range and oven models. Check the list to ensure they are compatible with your specific appliance. It's designed to match the original specifications. These knobs replace part numbers DG64-00473A, DG64-00473B, and others. Please note, if your stove is black, you'll need a different knob. Contact us if you're unsure about compatibility. Installing these knobs is easy, saving you time and money. They are a cost-effective way to repair your stove. They solve common problems like damaged or broken knobs, ensuring your stove functions correctly. You'll receive a 5-pack of knobs and an 18-month warranty. We provide excellent after-sales service. If you have any issues, we're here to help, ensuring your satisfaction with the product. What we like. This product features an upgraded design with a reinforced power ring for enhanced durability. It's also compatible with a wide range of Samsung models, ensuring a hassle-free replacement. If you're looking for a long-lasting and easy-to-install solution, you should consider this. What people say. Fit my Samsung stove perfectly. Even better than the original knobs. These fit my Samsung gas stove perfectly. Seem to be a more sturdy knob than the original ones. They fit my stove perfectly and were in perfect condition. Number 2. Samsung DG64-00473A Stove Knobs Replacement. Are your Samsung stove knobs worn out or damaged? This replacement is designed to look and function just like the original. It's a perfect solution to restore your stove's functionality. This set of 5 knobs is specifically designed for Samsung gas ranges. They fit and work just like the original parts. You can easily replace the old ones with these. The knobs feature a sturdy stainless steel reinforcement ring. This upgrade ensures they can withstand heavy use and prevent cracking. They are also more stable and won't slip off easily. These stove knobs exceed OEM quality at a fraction of the price. They are made of highly durable materials and rigorously tested for long-lasting performance. You'll get great value for your money. These knobs are compatible with various Samsung gas range models. Please check the model list to ensure it fits your stove. If you're unsure, contact us for assistance. What we like. This knob features a strong stainless steel ring, ensuring it can withstand heavy-duty use. It is also designed to meet OEM standards, guaranteeing a perfect fit and function. If you are looking for a durable and reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit was tight, they don't wiggle. Look high quality and durable. The design is sleek and modern, seamlessly blending with the overall aesthetic of my kitchen. The markings for the different heat levels are clear and easy to read, ensuring precise temperature adjustments during cooking. Number 1. TOMOON DG64-00473A Steel Stove Knobs for Samsung. Tired of flimsy knobs? These high-strength steel replacements are built to last. They are designed to withstand years of cooking, offering reliability you can count on. These knobs are meticulously designed to fit a wide range of Samsung gas range ovens. Whether it's a newer or older model, they are engineered to work seamlessly. Make sure to check your model code for the perfect fit. Installing these replacement knobs is a breeze. Simply remove the old ones and slide these new ones on. No tools are required, and the whole process takes just seconds. Designed to mirror the original Samsung knob, it features a brushed stainless steel finish and a comfortable grip. It provides smooth heat control, just like the original parts. This convenient 5-pack is ideal for replacing multiple knobs at once or having spares on hand. You won't have to worry about running out of replacements when you need them most. We have full faith in the design and quality of these stove knobs. If you're unsure about compatibility, reach out to us for assistance. We're here to help you find the right solution. What we like. This knob is made of high-strength steel, ensuring it can withstand years of cooking. It is also designed for easy installation, so you can quickly get your range back in working order. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-install replacement, you should consider it. What people say. Material is great and fit perfectly. They look even better in person. The color is a perfect match for my stove, and they fit just like the OEM knobs. They actually feel even higher quality than the OEM ones. They were super easy to install, too. Just fit and made my range look new again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.